Amusing. What's your answer? As a pronunciation coach, but also as someone who helps people with their communication skills in general, I'm really interested in the things that listeners, especially in English, are listening for, and that can help them decide that, oh wow, this is a person I want to hear talk. So we're going to be taking a look at a poem. This is from Krash Mat, and we're going to be focusing on an aspect of speech that I call firmness. Firmness refers to, for instance, this. I am right now talking very firm, versus softness. Right now, I am talking very soft. It's like the difference between knocking on wood, which is a little bit softer, and knocking on like steel, which is very, very hard and not very hollow. How can we use firmness, for instance, from the stage if we are reciting a poem? Here's an example of one possibility. Amusing. What's your answer? Don't you get tired of pretending, fighting so hard to make it seem like you're not drowning, when all your dreams are of swimming? What do you think, guys? Where are the moments where I went firm and where are the moments where I went soft with my voice? Thanks to Krash Mat for allowing us to play with this poem.